मेरा नाम राजीव जोसेफ।
जंतर मंतर पर आए हैं, किन मुद्दों को लेके आए हैं सरकार?
ये एक्चुअली वी आर दिल्ली रहने वाले, हम लोग दिल्ली रहने वाले। यू नो, इन इंडिया 142 crores people, all are paying tax, all are paying tax for tea, rice, sugar, and for everything. Without tax आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. But the government is using this tax money only for 1.72 crore people in India. Means they are the central government and the state government employees. Why the government is not giving employment to the common people, the ordinary people, the poor people, the people living under the bridges, the people living on the streets? Why the government is not taking any action? There are more than 50 crore people in India without any job. No private job, no sarkari job. Only 1.75 crores people enjoying everything. That's good. We support them. We are also a part of them. But there are more than 50 crore people in India without any job. The government has to take immediate action. Otherwise, this protest we will conduct all over India, in all the states. Today, just now we started a cyber war against unemployment in India. The government has to take immediate action. Otherwise, these protests will spread all over India. Millions of people will participate in this protest.
अगर सरकार आपकी नहीं सुनती है तो आगे की रणनीति क्या होगी आपकी?
We have people all over India. There are more than 50 crore jobless people in India. Now we are going to politics. We already started a political party, that is Republican Party of India. We will contest in all the elections, Lok Sabha election, Assembly election. We will defeat all the existing governments. We will throw them out. The power is with the people. The vote is with the people. So the government has to take immediate action. We are paying the tax. So we need justice. We need employment. There is no any excuse.